Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing my December Sephora Play Box. So welcome. If you are new to my channel, my name is Leah and I upload a video every Friday and a little ones in between. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and share if you haven't shared already. And let's get into unboxing this Sephora Play Box. So if you have not heard of a Sephora Play Box, it is a subscription that you can do with Sephora. You go to Sephora.com and you can go under the section that says Sephora Play, and it is a $10 monthly subscription box. Sometimes they do sell out, and sometimes they do have a wait list as well. So if you're interested in looking into that, just go to Sephora.com. But today's box looks kind of like this. They always come with a little reusable bag. I actually end up mostly just tossing these, but I like that it comes in like a little Ziploc bag. It also comes with a little catalog. This month's is the Play Award goes to, so these are kind of top products that they've had throughout the year. So this little pamphlet does talk about all the products that you do get. You get 5 nice large sample sizes and 1 bonus every single month, so you do come out with 6 products total. And it just kind of talks about what the products are that you got, how to use them, why they chose it. You do go online beforehand and kind of fill out a little survey that kind of personalizes their boxes to you. And you can go out and change it whenever you want to. I recently changed mine because my hair is a little bit more extra blonde. And so I kind of changed the hair color, kind of changed my skin needs, and everything like that. You can just kind of have a profile online and change it as needed, and they send products that are pretty close to what your needs are. So let's get started. So the first product I got is a mascara from Grande Cosmetics. This is actually a mascara that I really don't know too much about or haven't really heard of. I've never tried this. So what better way to get a little sample size than to give it a good try. It does say that it has 97% dramatic lash volume, 94% thicker looking lashes, and it is an intense thickening mascara, which is a little bit more up my alley. I'm excited to give this one a try. The next product I got is an eyeliner from Marc Jacobs Beauty. It is their Highliner Gel Eye Crayon. This is in the shade Black, which I own this already and I really like it. It's just a small little sample size that I think it takes a long time to get through. I really enjoy using these products specifically for tightening the eye and then smoking it out with a little brush. I just think they work really well. I also have this in brown, which I think favors my brown eyes really well, and this is just a good product, so I'm excited that I got another little sample of it. The next product I got is a product from Way, which I really don't own a lot of products from the Way. I heard it's a great hairline brand, but this one is actually a body cleanser, and I smelled this before, and it's a very kind of unisex, kind of clean smell. So I know that if I can take this with me to the gym in my gym bag, or I can leave this in the shower and both my husband and I can try this out. It says that this cleanser is anything but washed up. The balancing formula leaves you feeling really refreshed, which the smell kind of goes along with that. It helps soothe and hydrates the skin. And so, I'm excited to give this a try. I love trying skincare products, so this is a nice little sample size that I can get a lot of uses of before I decide if I like it or not. Okay, this fourth sample, I was really excited when I saw this in my box. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream in the original scent. The Sephora Play Box I've gotten a few times before has gotten the coconut scent. This is the original, and if you've smelled this before, you know what I'm talking about. It smells so good. If you haven't, you need to go into Sephora, find this on the little store area, and smell it for yourself. The words can't really describe the smell of it, but oh my goodness, it's so good and it smells delicious. And it's supposed to kind of firm up just a little bit. I haven't really noticed that because I haven't really tried a bunch of it before, but this is a great size again to get some good uses of, especially in this cold winter climate. It's going to feel really good and moisturizing. All right, so my fifth and final large sample is from Tarte. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. Now, as I said before, I love to get skincare products in my box. I love to try out different kinds of skincare, and I don't really want to spend full price on it first. So it's really good to have kind of a sample size. I haven't really tried a lot of Tarte products in a really long time, so I'm excited to give this one a run. I liked when they had that Rainforest of the Sea line kind of come out. So this one, it says it moisturizes, soothes, and refreshes the skin. It fights free radicals and plumps the look of fine lines. It deserves all the praise it can get. So that's exciting, especially if I'm in my, heading into my mid-30s. Those fine lines are coming. So anything that kind of plumps and kind of smooths out those fine lines, I will definitely be a fan of. And so I'm excited. It says it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Perfect. So yeah, again, this is a nice size. So this was a good travel size too. So let's give this a try. Hopefully it's good. And then my bonus item this month was from the brand Dry Bar. I got a sample size of their Blonde Ale Brightening Shampoo and Conditioning, which is nice. This kind of really played into a factor that they really listened to my change of needs in my profile, because I said I lightened my hair pretty blonde and I've been trying out a lot of different kind of purple shampoos just to kind of help tone. And I'm excited to give this one a try. I like Dry Bar products. Their detox dry shampoo is really good. They also have they have that spray that I use, that Hottie Toddy one before I put any kind of heat in my hair. I love that. So I'm excited to give this purple shampoo a try. This will definitely be probably a good 2 uses for me. So I'll see how this one works out. So yeah, that is my December Sephora Play unboxing. I enjoy getting these products and these boxes every month. I do get it kind of close to the end of the month. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe and share if you haven't already. And let me know if you get these Sephora Play boxes and what was in your box this month. I hope you guys are enjoying the rest of your 2019. I can't believe we are right into 2020, a new decade. So I hope you guys are enjoying your night or your day, and I hope you guys are having a good one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.